Changing your phone number on Databricks Lakehouse is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Log in. Access your Databricks Lakehouse account by entering your credentials on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the interface. Click on it to open your account management options. Step 3. Select Personal Information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update phone number. Look for the field that displays your current phone number. Delete the existing number and enter your new phone number in the provided space. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to click the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page to ensure your changes are applied. By following these steps, you can successfully change your phone number on Databricks Lakehouse. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.